Hi, this is Tara Dunning, and I am the Global Security Leader for Wesco International.
Hello, my name is Ryan Kaltenbaugh. I'm the Senior Vice President of Sales for LenelS2. We're currently using the Security Market Index, which is a publication issued by the Security Industry Association.
One of the key valuable benefits that we find are the various publications and industry reports, particularly the Security Market Index, which measures industry confidence and is a key factor in helping our members really make valuable decisions in setting their strategy and priorities moving forward.
We use the market index information for insights, trends, and information around what the security industry is doing on a bi-monthly basis. This information is extremely valuable to a company like ours, and I know it will be valuable for you.